What's going on, family? The Hog-On Welding Fab Shop is coming along. I'm actually getting a few things done, cleaning it out. Still got a lot of cleaning to do, but I have a lot of stuff I got lined out though, so it's coming on apart, coming on together. I got my deals hung up today. I kind of did some little self-lamination with some clear tape, some of that construction tape, that thick, heavy-duty stuff, to make them last a little longer because they started ripping. But that worked real good to be able to give examples when I'm doing my welding tutoring and classes. So I'm gonna get some more of these, but for right now I had to make do with what you got. So it's good to do that too, man. Utilize what you got, touch it up, make it look good, be able to get your point across and be able to teach some people. So my goal is to actually, I'm gonna move this stuff over here. My goal is to set up a booth here, actually. So my goal is to set up a booth here, and you see I got a glass here, so I'm gonna be able to actually see inside of the booth and talk to the person from the inside too. So I'm gonna make it where it's gonna have a curtain, so I can be able to still see from the curtain, or when I need to open up and I have my welding gear on, I can still look into the booth. So I'm gonna make it where it's gonna be dope. So, and I'm gonna be able to make it portable. So it's gonna be about this high though. It'll be at least this high. That way I can see it completely from the ground. So I got a couple smooth ideas right now. Like I say, I'm just lining some things out, getting some stuff organized. I got a lot of stuff to address, get lined out, but got some steel to go pick up. So I got a couple shelves here. I'm gonna utilize them, which I'm gonna run my steel across there, the ones, my tubing and my channel, things that I keep on standby for my products that I provide. So all of my products that I make, I'm gonna have my angle, my channel, and my tubing in here, because that's what I use consistently: angle, channel, and tubing, and some wood for my steps. So that's what I'm gonna be doing, man. I'm gonna get everything set up, so I'll be keeping y'all updated with how I'm gonna insulate it and keep things going so we can keep making money and utilizing the space I have. So that's my goal. All gone.